Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. Cricut just premiered a video about the release of their two new machines, the Cricut Maker 3 and the Cricut Explore 3. You can watch the official Cricut video, and I'm sure affiliates will be releasing videos soon as well. I am not an affiliate. I won't get any of the machines early. I won't get any sort of discount. I had no idea that this was happening before other people. The point of me telling you those things is to let you know that I'm not being paid to just say nice things. This is a much more honest review of what these machines are going to do. And I'm going to try and say it how I see it. So let's take a quick look at the website, what it says right now. I'm including a link to this site in the description below, as well as to each of these individual articles. There are the three separate posts. This one is about the Cricut Maker 3. This is the overview of all the new announcements, and this is about the Explore 3. Please forgive me if I slip up and I say Explore Air 3. I'm used to my Explore Air 2. We're going to start with the overview first. It shows the pretty picture of the two machines together. You'll notice that they are harder to tell apart now. You can watch their little ad video. This is the Maker. It is still the one with the lid that covers the buttons as well. And the Explore 3, the lid does not cover the buttons, but it no longer has the smart dial like previous Explore models did. They are going to do the same things the current machines can do, but they've got more performance and features packed in without changing the home-friendly footprint. The new machines have more powerful motors, which gives you the ability to cut up to 2 times faster than before when using smart materials, all without sacrificing precision or power. I don't know if that is just going to be with smart materials or if we'll see a speed difference with other materials as well. They introduced the smart materials, and both of the machines will work with the all-new smart materials. They are similar to the Cricut Joy smart materials, just on a larger scale. They're materials that do not need to be loaded onto a mat to insert them into the machine. They can be cut on any of the machines, but you will need to put them on a mat for any machines other than the Maker 3 and the Explore 3. On the Maker 3 and Explore 3, this will allow you to make cuts that are up to 12 feet long. At launch, you're going to have smart vinyl available in permanent and removable in a wide variety of colors and effects, with lengths ranging from 3 feet to 75 feet. You're going to have smart iron-on, where you can cut a single image that is up to 4 feet or repeated designs up to 12 feet. This will be great for team shirts, family reunions, other group activities, for doing bags, masks, things of that sort. Now the mouthful one, the Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock. You load the paper into the machine without a mat, you cut it, you peel it, you stick it. There is no glue, which is my least favorite part of paper projects. So I'm excited about that. They are releasing some new accessories as well. There will be a roll holder sold separately that will work with the new machines to hold the long rolls of smart vinyl, and it features a built-in trimmer to give clean lines when you're done. This is similar to the Silhouette Cameo 4 that I just bought, and coincidentally, I was looking into the Brother Scan and Cut option that is also sold separately. Since the smart materials are 13 inches wide instead of the standard 12 inches, they're going to sell a portable trimmer separately that will make it easier to cut those in straight lines. I'm assuming that, like with the Cricut Joy, if your smart materials are not cut straight, they will not feed in properly, so you will need to make sure that the original cut is straight. You might have gotten excited with the 13-inch width of the smart materials. Maybe we can increase our cut size, and we can, except our new cutting width on these machines is now 11.7 instead of 11.5. That's right, we get an extra inch of material and less than an extra quarter of an inch of additional cutting area. The article wraps up about how pretty they are, and as someone on the Cricut Facebook video premiere commented, that Cricut's becoming like Apple with expensive new machines just because they're pretty, which is not entirely true. There are frequently asked questions, including a chart that compares the machines. It compares the Explore Air 2, the Explore 3, the Maker, and the Maker 3. You did not miss a Maker 2. They just decided, since they're releasing the Explore 3 and the Maker 3 today, they're both third generation. They both do so much. It's going to be simpler to just keep them straight by having them both be third generation. The MSRP on the Explore 3 is going to be $299 compared to the $249 for the Explore Air 2, but the Explore Air 2 is on sale right now on Cricut.com for $199.99, so $200. The Maker 3 is going to retail at $399, like the current Maker does, but the current Maker is available on the website today for $329.99. So going across, rounding out the numbers, as of the end of May, the Explore Air 2 is $200, the Explore Air 3 is going to be $300, the Maker is $330, and the Maker 3 is going to be $400. The chart is really helpful. It breaks down the maximum material width, the maximum cut length, the compatibility. It seems like the Explorer will cut the same kind of materials the Explorers have been able to cut, and the same thing. The Maker will cut the same materials the Maker has been able to cut, and they will continue to have the same tools and capabilities they have had. If you pull up the Explore 3 specific article, most of the information will be the same. You can watch the specific video and you can go through and read the exact details, but most of it is the same. Where you get into it being different is where it talks about that it's got the list of the compatible materials. There are over 100 materials that it can cut, and that it will now be able to do print and cut on white and colored paper. This is a new feature for the Explore 3. You can click on the link to learn more about print and cut, but it doesn't give additional information on the Explore 3's print and cut ability. There is no dial like with the Joy and the Maker. You will select that in Design Space, which I personally really like, so I don't forget to adjust my dial and cut on the wrong settings. Instead of the cartridge slot that was previously on the Explore machine, they have now gone to having it like the Maker, where there are the two cubbies, and there is also, they've added in the dock to hold your tablet or smartphone. Maker 3, you'll have a lot of the same thing as that original article and as the Explore 3 article. You can do the print and cut on white and colored paper. The current Maker can do print and cut on colored paper. I haven't used it on colored paper, so I'm not sure what, if any, difference there will be, but based off of what I was reading in the frequently asked questions, I don't think there will be much of one. And then it tells you, just like with the other Maker, you can do 3D projects with the thicker, denser materials, and you can do the fabric projects. Both of the machines will be available on June 10th online and in your favorite retail stores by the end of June. Are you interested in these? Are you planning on buying one? Are there things you'd like to see? My goal in doing these videos is to help you. So let me know in the comments what questions you have, what things you want to see, so I can help you learn to make with your Cricut. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.